Lady Elliot Island lies at the southern tip of the Great Barrier Reef, about 70 kilometres offshore from Bundaberg. There are several daily flights here from Bundaberg, Hervey Bay and Coolangatta. It's a tiny coral atoll, which was decimated 100 years ago by early entrepreneurs who stripped the island bare while mining the guano produced by the thousands of nesting seabirds. In 1969, Don Adams arrived at Lady Elliot and began a revegetation program using shrubs and seedlings of native plants from the nearby Barrier Reef Islands and from the mainland. Don's conservation efforts have made Lady Elliot the beautiful wildlife sanctuary that it is today, and has provided nesting areas for the second highest diversity of seabirds on the Great Barrier Reef. In various parts of this small island you'll find different bird colonies. Near the lighthouse, trees full of brown noddies, close by sooty terns, and near the runway and solar power plant, noisy crested terns. These birds here are noddies, with chicks and juveniles. That sound you can hear is a strange sound of the sooty tern. And this is the cacophony of the crested terns who've decided to call the edge of the runway, close to the solar power plant, their home. All over the island, on the ground, on branches, and probably right under your front steps, there are hatchlings of all ages. On a Great Barrier Reef island, they're safe from predators and can afford to lay their eggs directly on the ground without bothering with a nest. The evening sky is filled with birds who feed exclusively from the sea, yet park their droppings on the island, which ensures a constant supply of nutrients to the vegetation that provides their home. Offshore, Lady Elliot Island is home to a large variety of megafauna, which you can get close to with an easy snorkel in the lagoon or a more adventurous dive.